Okay. What's up? Welcome to another video and stream. Doing some brick building here today. Not technically Lego since we're working with the German company BlueBrixx. Done a few of these in the past. Pretty good experiences with the quality of the stones on these guys so far. So probably we're going to go back to in the future. I mean, you get a lot of bang for your buck on this. This set with the international discount ended up only being like 20 bucks, basically, something like that. And yeah, it's like 600 pieces, and I think it's going to look pretty cool here. So let's open this up and get our bags all situated. As you would expect, they are not numbered bags, unfortunately, with BlueBrixx, but just bags of like or a variety of pieces. So, but it's gonna look pretty cool when we're done here. So we can get started on this in just a scooch. I've got my little mini table all ready to go right here. I'm gonna get a couple containers to help me organize these things, and my water for my tea should be about ready. I'm gonna grab that real quick and we'll get started, I guess. Pull that up. So we'll be right back and we'll get building here. Okay, there we go. All right, let's get to it. Oops, it's not. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna hopefully be a little bit of a shorter stream today. I had a dental appointment yesterday that they did some kind of invasive stuff, so I'm still not feeling the best. So yeah, we're gonna see about knocking this out and then coming back to it next week with a nice good. So let's see here. Those are just a couple of pieces. We're basically going to be looking to anything that's like just one or two kinds of pieces we want to store separately. Yeah. And then these ones we can bust out as needed here. So let's see. We're going to start with the base and some blocks. So let's see how far we get without needing to open another bag here. My guess is not far. Let's see. Yep. Not far at all. Alright, so we got blocks here. Get these going on a tray. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Let's see. Okay. Wonder. Just organize these. It's always a little tricky. A lot of different angles and configurations of these things to consider. We'll have to keep an eye out for that as we're building here. Make sure we're using the right ones. I'm already lost count of how many bags we've had to open on this first step. It's almost all of them. So yeah, the numbered bags thing from Lego is really good. It's nice that that ship that we built last week had the numbered steps. Definitely a selling point to me for sure. Makes a big difference on how easy the sets are to construct, certainly. But a set this size, I think, is not going to be as challenging as like some of the larger scale BlueBrixx sets that we've done in the past. I think these are going to be fine to assemble. Should have gotten some of the shorter ones here. Shorter containers. I should have gone for some cups instead of pints here, but that's okay. Alright, so there we've got kind of the core of our tree, and now we're gonna build up some bark around it here. Yeah, we got this set because I thought it would look nice with, like, you know, we built the A-frame cabin recently. The tree house is one of my definitely never gonna sell it sets. So yeah, I thought a little extra foliage to kind of go with that stuff would be nice. So yeah, we're kind of building up our trunk here. Covering up these beige bits here. Hi, kitty. My kitty's a little bit of a sad dad right now. My brother just moved out, and his kitty is gone, and my kitty's a little sad. Let's get him on the stream here. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. I've always got time for you. I've always got time for you, buddy. Oh, he's detected some smells. It's tea. You don't want tea. That's silly. You don't need caffeine. You're a kitty. You get your energy from sunbeams. Here, you want to sit on this thing? I can move this stuff. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. He likes to sit on flat stuff. I'm happy to oblige him. All right, so we got some root systems built up here. Just gotta get. Oh, that's not. Oh, yeah. It's like this. Yeah, this does go here. I was just, oops, looking at it in the wrong angle here. Yeah. Okay. There we go. And then now we're gonna fix these guys. Cool. Oops. All right, there we go. A solid size base here, pretty nice. All right, and then we got some little stinkers to build up here. Let's see, where's that stuff gonna be? Shouldn't be in any of these. These should be just, yeah. I'm guessing mostly in here. Let's see here. Okay, 2 1x1s. Oops. One of these. And we got some good little details in here. Let's see here. A little scraped up there. That's okay. Trees get scraped up sometimes, so this is pretty much just an inverse right here. Let's get these mold marks can face inside. There we go. That. Proving and more of these. Flip it around here, and we got similar structure to the other side. Nice job of making this stuff look organic and being given a variety of sorry, 3 versions of that same song in a row. I don't think we need all that. This time the ramp faces the same direction as the slope. Goes right here. Okay. There we go. And keep building this up a little more here. Let me see here. Start using some of our brown colors in here as the trunk gets a little skinnier. Some of this stuff is going to be visible here. I wonder if this color is just the uncolored what the uncolored BlueBrixx stuff looks like. Okay. Building up our trunk. Pretty nifty. Okay. Around. I got our one monolith here. Goes right here. Oops. Okay. Alright, we got a little knot in our oak here. Let's see. So we go like that. Goes right in there. Little knot. Cool. Trunk looking really nice here. Oh, guy. Oh, there you go. This guy. That's right there. All these connections are feeling very solid so far, which we greatly appreciate. Let's see. And we're going to be done with this trunk before too long. I know I said I was going to do a shorter stream today, but if we finish this in like an hour or whatever, I'll still grab one of the other little sets, a gift with purchase or something, and we can do a little something else, because this is going incredibly fast at this point. Get the sense that we're almost ready for some of the tree to start branching back out a little. And then it's just a whole bunch of foliage. We got a lot of pieces for making this foliage connect though. Knotty knot in there. Yep, here we go. The sloping out begins. First with some nice subtle angles. This is looking really cool. Another knot here. call, okay, so this guy right here, rotate like so. All right, here we go. First big part of the upper branches there. Okay. Interesting. Leave ourselves a little gap right here. Rotate. So, no. Must be like this. Yeah, okay. Okay. Subtle, kind of leans like as it starts building out these like branches, it continues to slope that way a little, so it kind of like bends over. Pretty cool. Okay. Some more solid bricks to lock a lot of this stuff into place. Interesting. It's a floating area. These practically could have been numbered. It could have been just these first 5 bags for the trunk and then everything else for the foliage. Okay. Some ball socket joint on these guys. Here, single 2x1, and then, ooh, smoothen out the tops of these branches here. more branches. Oh, this isn't right. There we go. Forgot to rotate. Okay. More branches. It's going to be very dense foliage. It's going to be very satisfying. Okay. These 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then get our ball socket joints attached. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just like on the lower levels, we'll cover up some of these studs. Oh, let's see. 2, 3, 4. Then we should have a 1 shorter one. Let's see, guys, in here. And a couple more of these. Okay. Final cluster of branches here. 1, 2, 3, and a shorter one just to keep it from being completely symmetrical. Block in the middle to keep them secure. Uh-oh. Stream is disconnected. No. Well, if you're watching this on YouTube, that means these next couple seconds are going to be exclusive content. So, if I could think of something really, like, funny or charming to say, I would say it right now, but I don't really have much. I don't know, it still says we're live. It says my internet's working. I don't know. We'll just give it a minute here. Regardless, trunk is done. That's looking solid. Let me see. Here. Ooh, my phone's about to die. Oh, maybe my internet is messed up. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the internet's down. Okay, so let's see here. I guess we'll probably let's just end this video here then, and I'll try to reset my router. Oh no, wait. Are we back? Connecting, it says. One sec. It's trying to. Let's try to play this song again. No, still not working. Okay, well, then, thanks for watching the video here on YouTube. I appreciate it very much. I'll try to remember to upload both of these back to back, since I realize this is a shorter one, or maybe, I don't know, work on my editing skills. Maybe I'll get them together into one, because there's no real reason for this to need to be 2 videos. But, I don't know if I'll do that or not, so either I'll see you in the next one, or we'll see you in just a second here.